Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Right now we are in Wuxi, and right next to me is our latest technology for the gas residual recycle devices. With these devices, you can build your recondition line easy and fast. So we can go closer and we can see with these machines, we can use this valve to get into the valve and suck into it. So once you're done this part, you can do the automatically flipping for 180 degrees. So 2 minutes, 6 cylinders can be residual the inside liquid immediately. Alright, with these cylinders, they'll move into the next station. But the residual liquid gas inside there has been collected to these cylinder gases. So one is for the gas, one is for the liquid. And with this, we cannot connect them forever, so we will have to use it. For this kind of gas, we have two options. One is to go directly to the furnace that will be used for the heat treatment. And second, we can temporarily save them because sometimes the furnace cannot use them like that fast, right? So we have a buffer. We go to this silver pumps to go to these cylinders. So you can see we have 4 big tanks for this storage area. And if you wanted to, you can also be like a residual station for your recycle gases to do the refilling. So with me, we can do more business with more easier and faster. Let's have a look with our other videos. It's rolling and rolling to the furnace. Yeah, this one is the furnace we talked about for the heat treatment. For normally, we are doing the 900 degrees for normalizing and 600 degree and 680 degrees for annealing. So different countries have different policy. It's based on your needs, and we can do the customizing for your country policies. And if we want to have a better size, we have a PLC control system for all the furnace count inside to control it easily and better. After we've done the heat treatment, the cylinder is ready to go to the next step. So right next to me is the zinc sharp blasting. You can de-rust everything on the surface of the cylinder. It is for better coating in the next step, and also for the better surface of the cylinders, because sometimes you maybe have some rust, maybe have some defraud, something like that. So after the sharp blasting is done, we can do the coating. As you can see, we have a whole line for the powder coating. Your operator just have to manually operate it and go to the line directly. So after that, you can go check our video, and we can do more in details information with our sharp blasting and the powder coating line.
Here is our valve loading machine. This is controlled by the servo motor, and the capacity is 150 pieces per hour. And if you are interested in this machine, you can send us the size of your LPG cylinder and the capacity you want. And the most important, you can send us the valve pictures you want to loading. After the valve loading machine, this is our double-size silk printing machine. It's a totally automatic silk printing machine. It can print the two logos at the same time. After self-printing, we will do the air leakage testing. You can see this is our air leakage testing machine. First, we will inject the air inside of the cylinder. Then we will put the cylinder in the water. It's a 4 working station air leakage testing machine. The pressure test is 2.1 and the source air pressure is 0.6. So if you are interested in our machine, you can send the technical drawing of your LPG cylinder and tell us how many pieces you want to produce per hour. Thank you.